So, what's up guys? It's me Arwin again, and for today's video ay nag-setup tayo ng bago nating biling Maono headphone. Ayan, at ating ititesting sa YouTube kung maganda ba ang quality nito. Let's go! So, ayan, at nakikita nyo guys na nag-aayos pa ako dyan. At dito nga guys, ayan, napakinggan na natin yung quality ng Maono headphone na binili natin sa Shopee. Ayan, at sobrang satisfying naman guys, at sobrang ganda niyang gamitin. At yun lang guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.